In this video, I'm going to show you how you can adjust columns in Excel. So I have column C here with project name, and you can see project name is not fully within the column. So let's say that I want to adjust that column width so the project name is in that column. So I go up between C and D and get the double horizontal arrow. Then I left click and drag to the right the column line, and now you can see that the project name is fully within column C. Now, another thing I can do is highlight C and then right click on it and say column width and just type in directly a column width that I want. So let's say I put in 20 and I say OK. Now you can see that column has been adjusted to the width of 20. Now I can do multiple columns and I highlight D through I. Then I right click and I go down to column width and I type in 20 and I say OK. Now every single one of those cells has been adjusted to 20. I hope this video has been helpful and that you have a great day.